Oh, welcome to PDX Garden Home. I've got a couple of kinds of garlic that we've harvested this year. This is the hardneck garlic, and it's called hardneck because of the stiff neck that it has on it. The other thing that is distinctive about it is that when it's growing, it forms a scape, and then that scape will form little bulbets that look like little garlic bulbs, kind of little garlic cloves, I should say. And you can plant those, but they take a while. They may take more than 1 year to actually grow to a full-size bulb. Whereas if you plant the actual garlic clove from the garlic, it should only take the 1 year for it to grow to a full-size bulb like this one did here. So I grow both the hardneck garlic and also this soft neck garlic. And in growing this, and what makes this the soft neck garlic versus what I was just showing you in the hard neck garlic is the stem, the neck here, right? It's very soft. And what you'll see I do with the soft neck garlic is, now this is dried, I've got a bunch of dried ones like this, is that I try my best to braid it. I'm not necessarily the best braider, but I'll give you a look at what I'm doing with that. With this hardneck garlic, what I'm going to be doing is just cutting it off and then maybe stringing it together, or I may just even put it in a basket or something in order to store it. So that's what I'm going to be working on here. I thought I would share that with you all. All right, well, let's get to it. As you'll see here, my garlic came out to a bunch of different sizes. But in terms of braiding it, it's common for people to braid. Well, I was reading somewhere that you should braid like 8 to 10 cloves, but I typically just braid it until I get bored with it. And I've gotten long ones. One of the things about garlic is that I'm not showing you here, because we're now kind of in July. I've harvested it; it's been drying, so. What you didn't get to see was me planting it. So planting the garlic is something I do in October-ish, or if I don't get around to it, I might actually do it early November. But the goal when you're planting garlic is to have your garlic planted out before you get into your really cold season, because you want the garlic is supposed to go through that cold season in order to produce well. So all of my garlic was in the ground. I think this last year I got it all in the ground, kind of late October, early November. Yeah, we produced a lot of it. Okay, so what I'm going to be showing you here is just me braiding the garlic. I found that putting it on a flat surface is helpful, for me anyway. Well, when I do the first one, I never really know exactly how I want to start. There we go. Maybe throw down in the comments and tell me what I'm doing wrong here. If you spot anything that I could do better. One of the reasons I like the flat surfaces, then I can be very clear about which side is which. I'm not mixing up the branches or the stems, because I think I often do that. That one's going in there. It's in there. As you can see, I've got all different sizes here. And I usually have, I didn't keep track of my varieties, so I know one of them, you know, here in Oregon, it's common for people to grow the variety called Music, and I know that's at least one of them, but that's not all of them. I grew several different varieties. I often pick out several different varieties to grow with the theory that I'm going to keep notes and decide which one I like best, but then I generally lose track of which variety I was actually growing where, and yeah, there is no real keeping track going on. And so then that's that. All right, so I've got a small little braid here. So I mean, I think I could keep going, but I'm gonna just tie it off for this video here. And the theory with the braided garlic here is that then when you need it, you can just like snip it off, right? And then take it and use it for your cooking or however it is that you use garlic. Garlic's one of those things that it's like everyone's got a theory about all the many things that it can do. And I know it has antibacterial properties, and I remember traveling in Asia, the guide telling us that they never got sick from street food because they always ate a lot of garlic. I didn't fully buy into that though. So I was careful about what I ate. There we are. There's my braid. Go hang it up in the potting shed over here. I do like my garlic.